Maybe this is what it sounds like when a frog has a frog in its throat. Actually, this is the defensive cry of what's being billed as the world's cutest frog. It was captured by wildlife enthusiast Dean Boshoff as he walked along a South African sand dune and heard a peculiar noise.
I heard that little squeak. I found him, I knelt down. I couldn't believe the little sound that he was making.
In its first week or so on YouTube, this desert rain frog had about 3 million views. All those views for something. People commenting online say the frog sounds like it swallowed a squeaky toy. And we all know who loves squeaky toys. When Dean posted the video, he asked others to share their pets' reactions. There was some head-butting and a lot of head cocking. There were attempts to get at the frog. And searches.
Where is his cat?
To try and figure out where that weird squeak was coming from. One smart dog even pawed, bit, and snatched a smartphone playing the frog video. Thanks to fairy tales and movies, we tend to think of frogs as not being cute until they get kissed and turned into princes. But tell that to fans of the world's cutest frog, whose eyes were described by one admirer as looking like sunset on the lake. But soon those endearing squeaks were replaced by a jokester transforming the cutest frog into the coughing opera frog. What's next?
Valley of the Jolly.
Ho, ho, ho.
Not so giant.
Ginny Mo, CNN.
This is CNN.
New York.